a wind advisory in central and northwest New Jersey and east central and southeast Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. this early evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. Take action within the next hour. This also includes Norristown, Philadelphia, Plymouth Meeting, Conshohocken, and other areas in southeast Pennsylvania. Minimum to no known threat to life or property. Winds. Southwest and west winds 20 to 30 miles with gusts up to 45 miles per hour.